just like a timeless song.
Hey guys, welcome into the Southern Roots Kitchen. Today is March the 1st. We're kicking off the Pounding into March collab. March the 4th is National Pound Cake Day. So, stay tuned. We have several channels joining us on different days this month. They are going to be in a playlist over on my channel, Southern Roots by Sherry. So make sure you tune in to see who drops their video on whatever day they have. Anyway, we are cooking a cookie butter pound cake. That's what we're going to stir up today. So let's get started. First of all, I've got 3 sticks here of softened butter. And I did use unsalted. That's what the recipe calls for. Sometimes I'll do unsalted. Most of the time I just use salted anyway. Alright, and then we have a block of cream cheese, which I tried to open and the package went willy wonky on me and wouldn't open right. So that's okay. We'll just scrape it out. No big deal. Alright. So I'm going to blend these guys up and get them mixed together. Alright. I'm going to scrape everything down right quick. Make sure you get the sides really, really good. And the bottom. So, we're going to start mixing this again. That should be good enough. Alright, next I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar and a tablespoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to let this mixer hang out and go for about 10 minutes to make sure everything is good and mixed together. Alrighty, y'all, we are looking creamy. So, now we're going to once again scrape down the sides. Make sure I ain't got nothing hanging on around here. Now, we're going to add, and I'm going to eyeball, a good old half a cup of cookie butter. So, got that going in the pot. Alright, I'm going to blend this up. Alright, let's give it a nice scrape down. One more time. Before we start adding in our eggs. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to add our eggs a little bit at a time and get them mixed in. Okay, so I'm going in, scraping it all down once again, and we're about to add our flour mixture. Now, you got 3 cups of cake flour. I'm using Swans. Then I have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm going to kind of give that a mix just a bit here. Now I'm about to add it all in this cake batter. All right. I'll start off slow. Okay. I'm going to scrape down the sides. I'll let this go another round. Telling you, this cake batter smells good. Alright, so for the last step before we put it in the oven, I've taken 8 Biscoff cookies, crushed them up, and I'm just going to put them, boy, I'm getting cake batter all over me. Messy cook at work. So all you need is 4 packs. You can buy them packaged up and in little individual packs like this. I think they come 10 to a pack at Walmart. Alright, so I have put 8 in there. Let's get them blended in. Right. That should be good because I don't want to turn them into powder. So anyway, I've already greased up and fired up a pan over here. And we're about to pour this in and put it in the oven Got my oven set on 300. We're going low and slow. So I'm going to get all of this in this pan. Try to get it good and smoothed out the best I can. And I'll knock a few air bubbles out. Just come out of the oven, no sticks. Gonna let it cool off. I'm gonna decorate. Alright, so I put 2 cups of powdered sugar already in the mixing bowl. I'll put an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, a half a stick of unsalted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Throw this attachment on here. And let's get it mixed up. Alright, so I got the frosting mixed. So we're going to get this cake finished. And then we'll be back and show you the finished product. Okay, so we're finished. And we're about to cut a slice of this cookie butter pound cake. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this collaboration. Make sure you check out all the channels that have participated in it. We'll catch you next time in the Southern Roots Kitchen.